Good morning students. Today we have to do exercise 4.2 and in this exercise question number first, construct the following quadrilateral, and quadrilateral one is quadrilateral LIFT. We have to construct a quadrilateral LIFT where LI equal to 4 centimeter, IF equal to 3 centimeter, TL equal to 2.5 centimeter, LF equal to 4.5 centimeter and IT equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, which is question number first. Okay, now we have to construct a quadrilateral where two diagonals are given and three sides were given. Okay, so firstly we have to suppose how can our quadrilateral will be see in rough sketch. So suppose LIFT na, so I am taking LIFT as our quadrilateral and LI which is of 4 centimeter, IF where is IF is this, that means there is 3 centimeter, TL where is TL that means this one of 2.5 centimeter, and LF where is LF that means this diagonal of this is 4.5 centimeter, and IT that means that point which is of 4 centimeter. So two diagonals are given, three sides were given, this side is not given, no? IF is not given, which we have to construct. So in the first step, with the help of scale, we may draw an line LI equal to 4 centimeter. So first step, draw a line LI of 4 centimeter by the help of scale and name this L and I of 4 centimeter. First step completed. Now in second step, is there IF is given 3 centimeter. Now, so take arc of 3 centimeter by the help of compass and cut an arc upside from the point I. See, this is of 3 centimeter. Put the pointer of in point I and cut an arc of upside of the constructed line. Then thereafter we have one more thing. See, there is LF which is given 4.5 centimeter. LF which is of 4.5 centimeter. This is given. So to find the point F, we have to make one more arc to get a point there, because F is from there to there, anywhere we have F, but we don't know where is F exactly. Now to find F, we have to use this equation LF equal to 4.5 centimeter. So LF equal to 4.5 centimeter, cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. For this, take a measurement of 4.5 centimeters by the help of ruler, and now put your pointer in the point L and cut an arc upside on previously cutted arc to get the point F. See here, these two arcs were cutted, so name this point as F. Okay, now we have two more things. What we have IL. Okay, value of IL is given 2.5 centimeter. Okay, sorry, IL not LT or TL equal to 2.5 centimeter. So L is there, T will be there in that part. Okay, so from point L, in the third step, from point L, take an arc of 2.5 centimeter and cut upside. So I am taking arc of measurement of 2.5 centimeter by the help of ruler and cut an arc upside of 2.5 centimeter. Clear till there? Okay, I am making this arc little bigger. Okay, now one more equation we have IT that means I is there, T is somewhere there now. So T, which we have to find point T, I cutted first thing LT which of 2.5 centimeter. Now T is there in this equation, IT equal to 4 centimeters. So put your pointer on I. Firstly you have to take measurement of 4 centimeter by the help of ruler and the compass. Take an arc of 4 centimeter. From point I you have to make an arc on previous cutted arc. Okay, now what you get? You get the point T there. Okay, so L, I, F, T, all 4 points we completed. Now match the points from F to I with the help of scale. Again from T to F, and in the last T to L. Okay, with the help of scale. So T to L I am matching. Okay, so this is our required quadrilateral. Write all the measurement there. See, there LT equal to 2.5 centimeter, I am writing as it is. There is Fi which is of 3 centimeter, I am writing as it is. Now there is two diagonal which are given, so we have to make diagonals also. So match Ti and Lf to make these two diagonals. Okay, done from our side. This diagonal have 4.5 centimeter length and this diagonal have 4 centimeter of length. Okay, so this is our required quadrilateral LIFT. That means where we have two diagonals and 3 sides were given. So we constructed this, and now we have to write the step of constructions. So this part is your homework, and question number 2 of this exercise is also your homework. Write the steps of construction, whatever we have done in the step by step. You have to mention only that thing. In your own word you can write, but use mathematical language also. Okay.